3, 4 ו...
Pressing the button bounces the toaster up and elevates the ball, which in return let converting elastic energy of the spring to the kinetic energy that is transmitted to the ball. Rolling the ball as a result of height differences. The potential ball energy is transmitted to the kinetic energy. The rolling ball falls into a box and hits its wall. The motion of the box causes the wooden blocks to fall. Result of momentum transmission from the box to the cube and from the cube to other cubes. The last cube falls and closes the electricity circuit. Circuit closure made electric relay work. The electric relay activates hair dryer. The hair dryer throws the ball into the hair and the ball stays there. Floating is based on Bernoulli principle. The ball conceals laser, which is directed towards light sensor LDR. Micro inspector sends an order to the relay and the relay closes. A new laser turned on. Laser is directed against a variable sensor of LDR kind. The moment the laser turned on, it lights a change in resistor, which is translated into the servo engine opening.
Yeah.
The engine moved and opened the gate, which led a ball to fall. Electric energy is transmitted into kinetic energy of the engine. The ball falls as a result of gravity force influencing it. Height energy is transmitted into kinetic energy and the ball starts rolling downwards. The ball hits the button that attached to the attached spring. The spring is released and the cards are separated in opposite sides. The creating recoil. Hitting the glass full of water as a result of collision. Pass water to panel. The flowing water diverts scales. The moved ball presses the electric button. The button turns a loudspeaker on. The loudspeaker moves a touching wooden cube, which led a deska to roll. The deska rolls the slope and pulls the tree. The starch steered turns a page into a book. The page makes a wooden cube to fall. The last cube hits the ball, which rolls into a small basket. The basket hits a telephone, which calls another phone. Another phone rotates and knocks off a ball. The rotation moves the ball rolling down an inclined slope. The ball falls down the road and hits a wooden cube as a result of momentum transmission. A chain reaction is created. The last cube falls down and led a weight to slide down. The weight pushed the electric button on the remote of a toy car. The remote sends an order to the car to move forward. The car starts the tilt. The starch tilt activates force on the glass that full of salty water. The water spills into the drinking water and changes its density. The density change makes a egg in the water to float. The floating egg releases the tilt. The wooden cube fell as a result of the increase in the starch power. The cube makes the disc roll, hit, and finally activate the ball. The moving disc transmits momentum to the cube, which finally makes the ball move towards an inclined slope. The potential ball energy is raised to kinetic energy. The ball hits electric switch, which is the button of the inclined slope. The switch activates the engine, enables the flow of the current towards the engine, and to transmit electric energy to kinetic energy. The engine turns around and raises machine jack. The plaster, which is localized on the jack, sticks to a hand.